Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Guilty Simpson here, and I'm gonna give you a how-to video on how to make a how-to video. Really, the first thing you need is a good idea, and thankfully, I come up with plenty of good ideas. So I've got something lined up, and I hope it will help you out during this troubling time where we cannot go outside as a society, and this is because of really Alright, so first thing you need is a subject, and I've got one. It's how to eat Pop-Tarts. So what helps me make the how-to video is usually I try to include myself in it, which makes a lot of people happy because I have a good on-camera presence, and I usually tell like a funny anecdote. Like today, even though I wasn't supposed to be driving, I hit a bird with my car. Alright, and so now that I went off of that, we show this display. Oh yeah, you don't need like any lighting or anything. That stuff is it's irrelevant. You don't really need a whole lot of tech for this. You can do this, with your GoPro. Really, you don't need like anything like that. No one really cares about that. Only like people who are in the business care about lights and stuff. So here we have Pop-Tart, and this is how to eat Pop-Tart. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your computer, and you're going to open Avid Media Composer. If you don't have it, that's fine. You just need to go to your mom's purse and take out her credit card, and then sign up on the website and subscribe there. Really straightforward endeavor, that one. And we're gonna edit our how-to video. Okay, so now this is Media Composer, and there's where the files should be. You import them. I don't remember how to do it, and my only SD card is in this camera recording it right now, so I can't show you. But I will switch over to my computer and we'll start working. So I personally I don't really know how to video edit, so I have hired someone else to use Media Composer. So just dig out your mom's credit card again and use that. You can try and do it yourself, but I wouldn't recommend it. Just because I've had difficulties in the past, but you send it off for someone to edit, and should get back to you within 5 to 6 business days. And I have mine right here, so we're going to take a look.